Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you a website where you can make your CV for free, and there are multiple templates you can use. Are you ready? So let's get started. Okay, open your browser and type vpic.com. Okay, uh, then after that, you can search what you want. For example, resumes, and enter. Once you enter, many templates will be displayed here, and you can choose any templates you want. They are all free. As for example, I'm going to choose. Let me. For example, this one, and click on edit. Okay. And on the bottom, you can make bigger that you can see and edit. As you can see, it's editable. Everything you can edit. For example, the name, uh, Justin Bieber, and you can edit, for example, singer, and you can edit the description. Once you finish with the edit, you can download it. As you can see here in the top, click on download. You can download as a PNG, as a JPEG, or PDF. I'm going to download this template as a PDF. Okay, click on download. As you can see, it's downloading down here. Yeah, project is ready. Let's open it. See, Justin Bieber singer, and you can edit everything according to your background. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.